Sokół motorcycles, cycles. Sokół Polish. Falcon was a brand of motorcycles manufactured in Poland before World War II for both civilian and military use. Initially designed and produced by the Centralne Warsztaty Samochodowe CWS company Central Automotive Workshops, they were continued after its takeover by the PZInż between 1934 and 1939. History. The name was first used for the Sokół 600 RT tourist motorcycle, but is the most associated with the Polish Sokół 1000, a heavy motorcycle produced after 1936 for the Polish Army. Chronologically, the Sokół motorcycles were as follows: Sokół 1000 111 CWS 111, Sokół 600 RT M 211, Sokół 500, a sport motorcycle, Sokół 200 M 411, Sokół 125, built 1947-1950, a different design based on German DKW RT 125.